People often say that their S account is shadow banned, but what if algorithm isn't the real problem here? Elon Musk just announced S algorithm is going open source in 7 days. And what could this mean for everyone? Is this going to be a game changer? We are going to find out. So today we are going to be talking about 3 important statements from X leadership, and also we are going to be explaining these following words. Things like shadow ban, visibility rate, or rate limit. Whenever I say rate limit, I mean visibility limit. Bot behavior, and also the reason why accounts suddenly start struggling. Let's go ahead and start by reading tweet from Nikita Bier. Now, Nikita Bier is actually the head of production in X. I might not get the spelling, the pronunciation right. But anyway, let's start with discussing the shadow ban and the reality in shadow ban. So from the tweets, Nikita Bier stated that people complain a lot. This is the exact tweet. People complain a lot about rate limit, but their account is running on script replying good morning or GM. And yes, I totally agree to thousands of posts, but 2 weeks later, why am I banned? I don't know if you actually get what he's trying to say right here. I'm going to explain that very soon. Now, let me explain it. He said that people come to his DM complaining about their accounts not getting visibility and also getting visibility limits, that they are shadow banned, complaining of shadow ban. But when he go into checking into their account, he discovers that they kept replying good morning, and also most of the posts those people make, yeah, they are normal posts, but few of them are just replies to good morning, good morning, good morning. So repeating this stuff is actually what actually lead to their account being banned later on. So this is actually what he's trying to say. Now, the algorithm doesn't actually hate you. It actually automatically looks at the fake post that you are making or the fake part of you. If your account behaves like a bot, it gets treated like a bot. That is actually the reality. And many people actually make the mistake of this, and then they later on think, why is my account shadow banned and all this? And I saw somebody posting that I support X for years, and this is what I get from X. But meanwhile, all of the whole time they kept posting good morning, or replying to good morning. And also, yes, it's been confirmed that some of the posts are real, but I mean, showing up bot behavior is totally off it. So I think we should actually improve with this behavior. So let's look at the next one. S is actually built on algorithm from scratch. Now, S is actually rebuilding algorithm from scratch. I mean to say, S is rebuilding its algorithm from scratch. Now, this is another tweet from Nikita. The algorithm was rebuilt from scratch by XAI, running on 2,000 GPUs, and also time spent is up to 20%, followers up even more. Now, this is actually saying that S has actually rebuilt its algorithm. So it basically means that the algorithm is no longer being manipulated, and the algorithm is being built on the XAI. So SAI is the one running the whole thing, no more persons in the machine. Now, like we see, if SAI is running this, it means that a lot of things are going to go on now. This is actually a massive change, and this is something big. And they didn't just tweak algorithm, they replaced the engine mid-flight. Totally, I don't know how this is going to work. Now, what does it actually mean? It means that the old strategies stops working and new ranking signals now exist. Engagement quality matters more. Spam patterns are easier to detect. Yeah, it's very easy because now it's no longer a human that is in control, is a robot that is in control. So many creators think my reach dropped, just but in reality, the rules just changed. So whenever you see an account that is not getting people paying attention on them, that is basically because the XAI is the one in control. So it knows what it's doing basically on what is written for it to do. So this is no longer being changed manually by X team or S admin. So I don't actually know how this is going to work or how this is going to play out, but this is actually a big one. And then Elon Musk also stated that or rather Elon Musk also confirmed that the S algorithm will be open source in 7 days and also repeated every 4 weeks with full development node. So I want to actually see how this works. This is going to be historic because obviously you are going to be running this on X AI. So I don't know. So the major social media platform has ever done this. I don't think there is anyone that have actually done changes like this up to this level. For the first time, we are going to be seeing how posts are going to be ranked. We are yet to see that. What you are seeing right now is still the previous ones because this hasn't yet updated because it's not even up to 7 days yet. And what also affects the reach, I don't know. What also suppresses content, we still don't know about that. And also how does ads and organic work this period. So this is not an excuse era. You won't need to guess anymore. You'll be able to read the rules. It is going to be very simple for everyone. But then what does this mean for creators? Now, this is exactly what it means for you. Here are the real messages. Just pay attention. All you need to do is 1, stop spamming or stop spamming automations, which is stop using script to be precise. Focus on real replies. When you are typing it for real, the AI is going to know that is a real person that is typing, not a script or not a robot. Build conversation, not noises. Think long term and also trust with the algorithm. Study open source updates. Every time the open source update is dropped, make sure you study it very well because X is moving from engagement farming to signal quality ranking. This is going to be changing very soon, or rather very quick. Open source doesn't mean everyone will suddenly go viral. Shadow ban will disappear, or rather the growth will become easy. Now, what you should know is that it is going to be quite challenging this period. It is no longer going to be before when you can actually do guesswork because you already know that if you put some hashtag or if you use some word, they will display on the rank or maybe they will rank up. Or maybe when you get 2 or 3 like or 3 people following you, you will rank up. This is not going to be the case. This is going to be totally different. And also, when you manually analyze document and then post it, I don't know, it is going to favor people that are actually unique. It is going to favor people that are making unique content. It is not going to favor people that are posting random, repetitive content or rather spam posting. And also, but I don't know how this is going to reflect on retweeting because maybe somebody made a post and another person retweets. I don't know if he's going to see that as a spam. Now we are talking about XAI. I don't know how that is going to be approached. So when the S algorithm goes open source, I will also break it down right here in a simple language that you can understand. So make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you want to be getting updates like this. And do let me know if you like content like this. I'm going to make more for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.